Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to see your contact's profile picture on Telegram web using your PC. This handy feature makes it easy to identify your contacts at a glance. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Telegram web. If you're not logged in yet, simply scan the QR code with your phone or enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats on the left side of the screen. Now, let's find the contact whose profile picture you want to view. You can either scroll through your recent chats or use the search bar at the top. Just type in the name of the contact, and they should appear in the search results. Once you've located the contact, click on their name. This will take you to the chat window with that person, where you can see your conversation history and any media shared between you. Now, to view their profile picture, look at the top of the chat window. You'll see their name displayed, along with a small circular photo next to it. Click on their photo, and it will open in full size, allowing you to see their profile picture clearly. This is a great way to confirm their identity or simply check out their latest update. If you'd like to see more information about the contact, such as their phone number or bio, you can find those details in the same section as their profile picture. It's a great way to get to know your contacts better. And that's it. Viewing a contact's profile picture on Telegram web is quick and straightforward, making it easy to stay connected with your friends and family. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on using Telegram and other platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.